Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 7th Subject Chemistry.
Hello children, welcome to your 7th standard chemistry class. We are discussing the book back exercises for chapter 18 wastewater story. We have completed up to 8th question. Isn't it children? Yes. Okay. Take your chemistry note and write your 9th question children. Question number 9. Explain the relationship between sanitation and disease. Explain the relationship between sanitation and disease. Answer. Sanitation means hygiene. So the more clean sanitation, there is less spread of disease. So the more clean sanitation, there is less spread of disease. If the unhygienic conditions prevail, then the spread of disease is more prominent. Then write down the 10th question children. Question number 10. Outline your role as an active citizen in relation to sanitation. Outline your role as an active citizen in relation to sanitation. Answer. Role of an active citizen. First one. To approach higher authorities to cover the open drains. Then second one. Keep the city clean by not allowing litter to be thrown here and there. Then third one. Proper dustbins are to be provided at proper places. Then fourth one. Making people aware of hygiene and sanitation. Okay children, next question number 11. This is a crossword puzzle. Write the answer in your textbook children. First one. Across 3. Liquid waste products. What's the name of the liquid waste product children? Sewage. Across third one is sewage. Then fourth one. Solid waste extracted in sewage treatment. Fourth one. This is sludge. Fourth one across is sludge. Then sixth one. A word related to hygiene. Sixth across. Sanitation. Then eighth. Waste matter discharged from human body. Across 8. Excreta. Write the words in your textbook children. This is a crossword puzzle. Then down. Number 1. Used water. 1. Down. That is waste water. Then 2. A pipe carrying sewage. Down. Number 2. Sewer. The answer is sewer. Then down. Number 5. Microorganisms which cause cholera. Then the answer is bacteria. Then down. 7. A chemical used to disinfect water. 7th down. Ozone. Write the answer children. The last question, question number 12. Study the following statements about ozone. Study the following statements about ozone. Study the following statements about ozone. What are the statements, children? A. It is essential for breathing of living organisms. It is essential for breathing of living organisms. Then B. It is used to disinfect water. It is used to disinfect water. Then C. It absorbs ultraviolet rays. It absorbs ultraviolet rays. Then D. Its proportion in air is about 3%. Its proportion in air is about 3%. Which of these statements are correct? Which of these statements are correct? The answers are 1. A, B and C. Then 2. B and C. Then 3. A and D. Then 4. All 4. Which of these statements are correct, children? Statement B and C are correct statements about ozone. What's the statement B, children? It is used to disinfect water. The ozone is used to disinfect water. Then statement C. It absorbs ultraviolet rays. It absorbs ultraviolet rays. So the answer is 2. B and C. This is a correct answer. Okay, children. Write the question and answer in your chemistry note neatly and study well.